everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I finally got my May single swag. This is what she looks like. A little bit beat up, but not too bad. Just got this P.O. box today, so shall we get into it? If you're new, single swag is what I would call a lifestyle box. They give you a little bit of everything. There's always going to be a snack in there, and there is going to be a piece of jewelry in there, and then whatever else. I subscribed for a year. Honestly, it's been okay. Not my favorite. Definitely not sure I will resubscribe. Let's see. So this is what it looks like in the box. You have your card that tells you about all the items. Then everything's all wrapped up. So let's see here. Loving yourself isn't vanity, it's sanity. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. All right, let's see what we got. First thing is this right here. And it says Journey Refillable Travel Kit. Oh, that's cool. Well, let's see what the card says. From Ivy Olivia, this is a Journey 9-piece refillable travel kit. Our MSRP is $25. Traveling with your most important essentials just got easier and more eco-friendly. It's a versatile TSA-approved 9-piece set, has all the tools you need to take your beauty routine on the go. Set includes 3 refillable pouches, pump bottle, spray bottle, spatula, pipette, funnel, and jar. All right, let's take a look. So this is what it looks like on the side I saw. You guys probably got already a nice look at that. So, all right, here's the little squeezies. These remind me of like the Go-Gurt squeezes. It's kind of funny. And then here's the little pump bottle. Probably take a little, I don't know, really liquid hand sanitizer, but I don't know. I'm not sure what I would take in that. Here's another little squeezy. I swear this is just like Go-Gurt. So 3 of those. And then, oh my gosh, you guys. This is cool. I like this. The little funnel is awesome. That's great. I'm always looking around to find a small funnel, so I'm happy to get that. So we have a little itty bitty here. And then this is cool. I think this is to fill, it's another like, what do they call that? Pipette? Yeah, a little pipette. And then here's our little spatula. That's kind of cute. And then we have the pump jar, that's nice. You could put a little hand sanitizer in there. So that's actually really a nice item. MSRP, $25. You know, you find a lot of these travel items at Walmart and in the dollar section, but $2 section. But honestly, some of these are a little hard to find. So I'm not unhappy getting that. $25. Okay, and then we have a Spongel. This is nice. I feel like I've gotten this scent from this company before. So it is the Apple Blossom Multi-Use Body Wash Infused Buffer. They're saying now the MSRP on this is $22. This is love your skin with this body wash infused buffer designed to cleanse, moisturize, rejuvenate, and restore every inch of your body. The product is dermatologist tested, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made with love in the USA. Apple Blossom. Yeah, I can smell it. That's cool. You know, BoxyCharm, we can get these in BoxyCharm. First they were $4, then they were $5. Honestly, I haven't paid attention lately. They've done some bundles in their drop shop. My guess is they're $5 to $7 now. But that's nice. So basically, if you don't know what Spongel is, it's like a giant sponge that is like super soaked and baked a whole bunch of like body wash into it. And it generally lasts, when I use it, 2 to 3 weeks. The idea is you don't squeeze all the soap out of it. If you squeeze all the soap out of it for $22, you've kind of wasted the whole purpose of it. So, all right, and then we have ZeeSea Cosmetics Skin Pristine Makeup Melting Cream Cleanser, and it is 50 grams or 1.76 ounces. Okay, there's that. Ridiculous MSRP. Are they kidding me? It's a cleanser and it's $46. No freaking way. Okay, it says Skin Pristine Cream Cleanser. It is a gentle, non-foaming cleanser. It intentionally formulated in a rich, hydrating, souffle-like consistency to remove makeup and daily pollutants without stripping the skin of its natural lipid barriers. Apple extract, black cumin seed, and brown rice work to increase cellular longevity and enhance natural exfoliation. There is no freaking way I would pay $46 for a squeezy tube of cleanser. No. No, 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 no. Not going to happen. Honestly. If I saw this in the store, I would be like, $4? It's a squeeze tube and it's 1.76 ounces and it's a cleanser. You wash it off and wash it down the sink. So that's ridiculous. All right, and then we have this. Whoa, almost dropped it on the microphone. Gen 3 Stars in Your Eyes bracelet. So here is our piece of jewelry. Let me figure out. This is the Amelia Zodiac charm bracelet, $56. Everything they put in here, this jewelry is always claiming to be $56. This chic beaded bracelet with a 7-inch chain and 2-inch extender has an easy-to-use adjustable bolo clasp, wear by itself or stack with your other favorite pieces. $56. Oh, it is so cute. Honestly, it is. It's like a rose gold. That's cute. Nope, I don't think it's worth $56. Honestly, you find it on Wish for $3 or $4. But it's cute. I mean, they're sparkly. Yeah. Okay, then we have this little gem, Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner in black. I know, you guys, I needed another black liquid eyeliner. I mean, my 25 that I have are not enough. Okay. I like Bella Pierre, but seriously. Okay, let's see what they're saying this is. Where is it? Ooh, $26 for this, you guys. This is a long-lasting, buildable eyeliner. Allows you to achieve a natural or bold look. It is a wax-based formula. It dries quickly to a beautiful matte finish that will last all day. It's got a tapered tip. Perfect for creating thick strokes or solid lines with precision. $26. Okay. For an itty-bitty little liquid eyeliner. There it is. Would you pay $26? It's a pot for a pot of liquid eyeliner. Black liquid eyeliner. Okay. Socks. I see socks. Sweet Feel. Or Sweet Feet. It's either, yeah, maybe it's Sweet Feet. Let's see what it says. These are Sweet Feet Ryan Crew Socks. $21 for a pair of socks. Come on. Treat your feet with these, and they're crew socks. Treat your feet with these stylish, cozy socks produced with high-quality combed cotton designed for durability and comfort. Cotton socks for $21. One pair. Crew socks. No, I don't think so. No. You could get a pack of a dozen cotton socks for like $20-some, but one pair? Okay, last item is our food item. Ooh, this is Baker's Brothers, Mom's favorite strawberry donut. $4. It says it is a deliciously individually wrapped treat. It has a creamy strawberry icing on the outside and strawberry cream on the inside. Enjoy. All right, I'm gonna open it up because why not? Why not? It's been a long day. I haven't eaten dinner yet. It's 8:30 at night. I just got in. I'm a hot mess. Why don't I eat a donut? Or part of it. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that was a lot of sugar. I'll take a bite. I'm not real sure about this, you guys. I dropped it right on top of the microphone. Honestly, I taste a lot of preservatives. And I like strawberry stuff, but no. That was supposedly $4. If I paid $4 for that, I would be mad because it's not good. Now, maybe it's because I have some Jeffree Star liquid lip on here that's got like a scent or flavor to it, but okay. Well, what do you guys think? We had the $4 treat. The charm bracelet, again, Cute. I would never pay $56 for that. Socks. Overpriced in my opinion. $21 for one pair of cotton socks. The eyeliner. I like Bella Pierre. I don't think I would spend $26 on a pot of liquid black eyeliner. This is ridiculous. This is soap. This is cleanser. And it's really, it's not even 2 ounces. It's 1.76 ounces. And $46. The sponge gel is nice. Again, I can get them from BoxyCharm for less than $10. Bundled sometimes for like 4 for maybe 20. So they do retail for like 20 some dollars, and this says 22. So, and they're nice. I like sponge gels. And then we have the travel set, which I thought was pretty nice. Now that people are actually getting out and traveling again, it's nice to have brand new TSA sized items. So that's cool. And I like the little funnel, the itty bitty little funnel. I will be using that. So this particular box, MSRP on this, the price for subscription is like $39.99. Now I got a 50% off coupon. I spent $20 per box and I did a whole year. Honestly, do I feel like I got $20 worth of product? Sure. Right? Why not? But I would not be happy if I had spent $40 on this box, because I'm not really sure that I would consider this $40 worth of anything here. So maybe with the travel thing, but I mean, I just think the MSRPs on this stuff is like ridiculous. So yeah, I will leave a link down below. But honestly, my suggestion is if you really want to try this, if you like the lifestyle boxes, wait until they put it on sale, the subscription on sale for like 40 or 50% off. And they do them fairly frequently. So, you know, go ahead, click on the link, you know, but definitely I would suggest you get a coupon or a discount code, because I'm not mad at $20, but I would be mad at $40. So let me know what you guys think. All right. Hope you're having a good week, you guys. I just came in from doing chores, and I invited my friend over. We went out in the woods and did some birding. It actually is finally nice outside. The sun was out, fairly warm out, and we really only have through the end of May to catch any of the migrating birds. So I was doing that till dark. And I know you guys are asking about the kitty, and you know, it got warmer out today. He did come out when I got home from work, and he was outside for a while, but he's just very weak. He kind of came out for a social hour, which was really nice to see. So you guys, I still don't know which way this is going to go with him. Sorry about that. But he's hanging in there. So we'll see. I'm still medicating him in the mornings. Once a day, he's getting 200 milliliters of lactated ringers. So please keep him in your thoughts, you guys. He's so sweet. He's 16 years old. So, you know, he's an elderly kitty. So we love him. It's all right, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, let me know what you think. And hope you're having a great one. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.